Jai Hind everyone, I am ANO Preeti Swami from पंजाब, हरियाणा, हिमाचल प्रदेश एंड चंडीगढ़ डायरेक्टरेट। जैसे हमने आपको बताया था कि हमारे RDC 2026 में जो एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियोस को कवर करने का था बिहाइंड द सीन, आज हम लेके आए हैं आपको एक ऐसे सेंटर में जो है ड्रोन ट्रेनिंग सेंटर। तो ड्रोन ट्रेनिंग NCC में क्या रोल है और ये यहाँ पे जो स्पेशल उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ माइन्यूट बातें हैं वो सारी हम कैडेट से सुनते हैं। What's your name?
Ma'am, I'm Cadet Warrant Officer Diya Chauhan. I'm from NCC Directorate, Karnataka and Goa.
Okay, so tell us something about this area because this is a captivating area। मैं देख रही हूँ सारे के सारे dignitaries, visitors जो हैं वो यहाँ पे जरूर रुकते हैं। आप कुछ बताइए इसके बारे में।
So, in line with Honorable Prime Minister's vision of transforming India into a global drone hub by 2030, the government has introduced drone curriculum in NCC.
Yes.
So, in line with that, we now have 12 qualified master drone instructors
Wow.
who train the drone instructors, and we have 55 plus drone instructors who train the cadets.
Okay.
And in this 1 year, we have trained over 1100 cadets.
Wow, it's a chain reaction. Once one particular person has been trained and then the chain is going on. And from cadet level तक क्या है आगे? Cadet का क्या role है?
If this training doesn't stop in NCC and so that the cadets can take it further in their career, NCC is also providing them RPC licensing and setting up training nodes in various places.
Okay, do we get the certification for this particular
Yes,
thing?
they will be certified drone pilots.
Oh my God! And I think if they want to pursue as a career, then they can go ahead with that.
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Cadet Warrant Officer Albina.
Okay, so you are from which directorate?
Karnataka and Goa.
कर्नाटक एंड गोवा। तो टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दिस। ये बहुत सारे apparatus, कुछ appliances रखे हैं, तो what is it all
Yes,
about?
ma'am. This is a drone assembly station.
Okay.
So from this, cadets learn about various components and sensors, how they
Okay.
integrate within each other to create a stable and responsive drone.
Okay.
We created drone like that from scratch.
Okay, you have created this
Yes,
one. I just wanted to ask you. Yes, Rahul is here with us. Rahul, हमें इसके लिए क्या अपना technical background होना जरूरी है?
No, ma'am, not as such, because we all are from different backgrounds.
Okay.
It just takes our interest in drone and later on you can learn
Means
further.
any BA या graduate वाला बच्चा भी कर सकता है इसको कि
Yes.
इसको properly technical होना चाहिए?
Not really. You can
Okay.
you can be a BA or a BSc student as well. I
And-
myself from a institute background,
Okay.
biotechnology.
And how many days की training होती है ये?
So we get a 1 month of training.
Okay, in different
based-
directorates.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a drone training camp. There'll be beginning, and that there'll be more to camps and
Okay.
get.
So ये as a simulator station, yes.
We are using real flight evaluation as our application for simulator.
Okay.
So we get around 10 minutes each. So
Okay.
in the 30-day duration, we spend 10 minutes each and get simulator sessions. And
Okay.
after this, we go for our actual flight, wherein we'll be doing our maneuvers.
So in your proper drone training के टाइम पे ये इस तरह का सब सिमुलेशन और ये सब सिखाया जाता है।
Yes.
Okay, nice. कुछ हमारे को लाइव कुछ डेमो दिख सकता है इसमें?
I can show you simulator,
हाँ, yes.
how it is done.
Okay.
So now I'll be taking off.
Okay.
So we have our joysticks over here. This
Yes.
is for throttle.
Okay.
So your drone basically gains altitude. This is for gaining altitude.
Yes.
So now I'll be changing the orientation.
Okay.
So what we call it as yaw deflection.
Yeah.
So left yaw and right yaw.
Okay.
Okay. So now with this we'll be making maneuvers. We have set maneuvers in our All India Vaisanic Camp competition.
Okay.
So we make circles, squares and figure of eight.
Okay.
I'll be showing you all these in this
Okay. With this
simulator.
only control of the hand movement, I think बहुत precision की जरूरत है, हाँ?
Yes, ma'am. That's why we use simulation.
Okay.
After we get around, let's say we are good enough at simulator,
Yeah.
then we go to the flying, auto
Okay.
flying.
Okay. Great. Great. So बस मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि
So competition or in drone as such.
okay.
But now after learning about so many components, flying by actual drone, it gives me different.
Okay.
Okay.
थैंक यू सो मच। देखा कैडेट्स आपने कि कितनी बढ़िया टेक्निक है जो हम किसी भी लेवल पे सीख सकते हैं और हमारे हर डायरेक्टरेट में ये ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ईच एंड एवरी कैडेट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट और ये सर्टिफिकेशन तो आपको डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेगी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। हमारे साथ बने रहिए। धन्यवाद।